In this video, I will show you the easiest way to clean your skin. Don't further any time, let's get started. First, duplicate the background layer. Then select Spot Heal in Brush tool and adjust the size according to your image. Then start removing blemishes, scars, wrinkles, any other skin imperfections like this. After that, now duplicate the background copy layer using the shortcut key Ctrl plus J. Change the blending mode from normal to vivid light. And now use Ctrl plus I to invert the layer. And then go to the filter menu, other and high pass. You can select any of numbers. You can see the smoothness. Now again go to the filter menu and blur and Gaussian blur. You can adjust any of numbers. You can see I am using this number. Now create a layer mask and invert it using the shortcut key Ctrl plus I. Now select the brush tool and make sure the foreground color is white. Adjust the flow and increase the feather. As you can see, the skin is improving without removing the texture of it. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching my video and I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and peace.